pop up now.
Let's go in the front room.
I want to get it.
You come in. Did you mean to press a different button?
No,
Do you have to tell me again? Hmm? I think she might be wanting to say hurry up instead of cuddles. Ah! No, thank you. I need her to press it, not you. Now. That sounds very demanding, doesn't it? Are you coming, Ruby? Dale's still not coming, so it's not hop up she wants.
There we go.
See if she goes in the front room or... Yeah. Okay. You hop up? Yeah. Okay. I still think she needs the toilet though. You're so cute.